Myself, Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr. S.N.S. College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about virtual function. So already we have learned about lot of functions in C++. It plays a vital role. So a function is also called as an member functions in C++. So it gives a different access, that is, and throughout we can use different variety of functions in C++. The function inside the class, outside the class, static member function, friend function, virtual function, pure function, etc. So today we are going to see about virtual functions. So virtual functions in C++. It is a member function in the base class that we redefine in the derived class. It is a declaration using virtual keyword. It can be declared as an virtual. Virtual means that a compiler will directly access the data. It is also called as a late binding. It is not a compiler, that is compiler will execute the information after the declaration. So it is used to tell the compiler to perform dynamic linkage or late binding on the function. So there is a necessity to use single pointer to refer all the object of the different class. It means if we declare virtual function in the classes, we have to declare pointer function to access the information. Next, when base class pointer contain the address of the derived class, that means if we declare the virtual function in the base class, we have to create an object by using the pointer in the derived classes. This issue can only be resolved by using the virtual function. The virtual is a keyword preceding the normal declaration of the function. When a function is made virtual, it determines that it should be invoked at the runtime. That is, virtual means the compiler will understand, it will execute the data at the runtime only. It won't compile any data. Next, rules of virtual function. It should be in some classes, that is, we have to declare virtual in some classes. It is a mandatory one. It cannot be static. Then because it is only execute only through the runtime, that's why I'm saying it does not contain any static member variables or function. So it can be, already I said that it can be accessed only through the pointers. It can be friend to another classes, that is, we can extract the information by using the virtual classes. It can be defined in the base class even though it is not used. Whether we are using or not, we have to declare as an virtual. Simple keyword as in virtual. So the prototype of the virtual function of the base class and all derived class must be identical. The keyword should be match. If two functions within same name but different prototypes, it will accept as an overloaded function. Already it is an important another concept in the C++. So we cannot have a virtual constructor. It means the constructor means the function name, same function name with different argument. But we does not create any pointer for the particular classes or object. But using virtual function, we can create a pointer variable. I show an example. Here the C public variable, we are declaring the function. So virtual void display, in that we are declaring the base class. So using virtual keyword, we have to declare the function as an void. Again you have to close the class. Again class B is declared. In public A, we are calling the virtual function void display. Again we have to use a derived class, some value, we can add any other value for that. First class is called as an base one, second class is called as an derived one. In base class we are declaring virtual keyword. Next, this after declaration we have to call the function int using int main. Just a class, a pointer variable a is used. That is, a means it is a name of the class. Pointer variable a is, already I said that whenever we declared virtual, we have to create a pointer object for accessing the particular member function. B is a normal function B. Again a equal to reference to B. It is called as an reference variable. A, we have to display the value either through the arrow operator or through the dot operator. That word is called as in late binding. Okay, that is, a pointer variable can be accessed only through the arrow or dot operator. So we get a result as in derived classes invoked. So another concept is pure virtual function. Pure means it is not used for performing any task. Just it is declared as a zero. So do nothing. It does not contain any value. Just it is called as a do nothing function. Just it is used for declaring the variable. So the particular class is used for accessing runtime process. So next, the class containing pure virtual function cannot be used for declaring object of its own. Such classes are known as an abstract base classes. So the pure virtual function classes is called as an abstract base classes. Main objective of this class is to derive classes and how to access the base pointer. Let us see the example. So base class can be declared as a virtual function, virtual void equal to 0. I already said that it is equal to 0 means do nothing. Just we have to declare as a pure virtual function. Second class, we are just declaring show void used for printing the information. So base star BPTR already said that virtual function have to declare the pointer variable. Derived class does not contain any virtual, so declare normally. BPTR, it is an object equal to ampersand D, that is we have to declare the pointer variable as an ampersand, normal variable as an arrow operator. Just we print a result. Thank you all. From this session I have explained about virtual and pure virtual function and their usage. Thank you.